coração tá disparado, meu corpo tá viciado nessa louca adrenalina que me faz arrepiar. Meu sangue ferve nas veias quando você me incendeia. Vem me amar. Eu sou vidrado em você, química perfeita, não consigo entender. É impossível te dizer não, você criou as regras.
Look at this photograph. Every time I do it makes me laugh. How did our eyes get so red? And what the hell is on Joey's head? And this is where I grew up. I think the president fixed it up. I never knew we ever went without. The second floor is hot for sneaking out. And this is where I went to school. Most of the time had better things to do. Criminal record says I've broken twice. I must have done it half a dozen times. I wonder if it's too late. Should I go back and try to graduate? Life's better now than it was back then. If I was them, I wouldn't let me